It's time. Wisdom. Favor.
We got to go and look for what is inside this carton, guys. We have to go and look. I think it is our Christmas tree.
Yes.
Yes.
Put your hands. Christmas.
Okay, for me, Santa.
Really? Oh wow!
What does someone here? Yay!
Miss you. Yeah, like that.
It's already a sentence. That's so cute. It's already a sentence. Yeah.
We have our Christmas tree coming up.
Yeah. Push the chairs in.
This is the slide. There's also someone.
Yeah.
There's this as well.
Yeah. Oh, that's to light it, right?
Also this in the box. I don't know what this is, but I guess no couldn't handle it.
Don't break the box, Ima.
Leave the box. Okay.
That's cool.
Come on, everybody, come on.
Okay, carefully.
You go down.
Oh, wow.
Keep going. I don't know what is this.
Okay, we're in here.
Yeah, this was something like I'm supposed to hold that in there. Oh, look at it there.
Where is it? Oh, the pushing not work. It not work. Oh, I see. This is the transport. Oh, wow.
Now, correct.
Have you tried putting it on the actual tube? Actual tube? Yeah, so right here. Yeah. Oh, because the tube's been closed.
Is there a wire under that?
Wait,
we have to do the lights, or do we?
Yeah,
That is the listen.
Yeah. It doesn't meant to have it, so let's leave it. No, that's fine.
No,
Anything is fine. You see the ribbons? Oh, they're hooks like
This is the standard.
yeah.
Listen.
It might be too big. You got to hear me. You cloud there, you iron.
Excuse me.
I can bring iron. You take care.
Did you sit here?
Yes.
It's okay, then leave it.
Even this one now, we can put it. Yes, too heavy. Yes, it's too heavy. Can wear she try too. For me, okay, the cute. I have eating with anything.
You have a lot of it. You don't need to add any other thing.
There we go. No skin pen, just mount it on the leaf. Do you like it, Ma? It's cute, isn't it? It's so beautiful.
It's time.
Happy Christmas
They're hiding that.
and Happy New Year in advance, guys.
Yeah. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year in advance. Merry
have
Christmas.
This is the beginning of our Christmas period celebration. Our Christmas tree is up and we are bringing the joy of Christmas to your families. Thank you always for subscribing to this channel. Continue subscribing. subscribe. I said subscribe. When I say subscribe, you say subscribe.
No, if you're watching from Facebook, please share our video. Facebook stopped proposing my videos. Please help me share so that others can see it. For some reason, I don't know why they stopped recommending our videos. But we move. Forward ever, backward never.
We move. We move.
So, Merry Christmas from my family to yours. May this joy never cease in your home. In Jesus' name. Amen.
It's plantain and potato. Plantain. Wait, Shirek, is he gonna eat all of it? No, not all of it. Leave everything. Yeah, nah, go.
I'm back your own. The matter that place is got. Everybody. So this is the last bottle of time. Okay, no, there's no like correct wine there. The plantain one seems to be better.
Yeah.
The more
Sorry.
solid like. It's very nice.
Well, I found my choice. Like I saw such a pet. I'm gonna test it. Will you run? Okay. You couldn't put it
Okay?
Oh, the good dog. Look at the sauce. It's going all over from carry a plantain. Yeah. The plantain, them stiff.
Probably too soft for me, I like it.
What do you like? I like the plantain. That's yours.
Eat.
I like the plantain. Okay.
Both of them is good actually.
Yeah. 2 threads of frittata is the movie. She's so bad. Where's all this? Get ketchup on that. What does she mean? Like, that